Are you mess up when your printer out of ink? What do you need to do? How to solve the problem when you're in urgent case? Don't worry everyone. We already complete our new product with new design for those who need printer instantly. We are create a genius printer vending machine. Firstly, it's really easy to use. Simple and efficient. Second, it's cheap vending machine. Third, it can print in black and white, even color too. Fourth, it even can photostat and scan. Here are some features that you need to know about our product. First, touch screen. Sensitive and high resolution for photo printing. Instruction help people to understand on how to use this printer properly. Input prepare the USB, micro SD card, and NFC connectivity for input the file. Printed paper case. At the lower bottom of the case, you can make photocopy and photostat or even scan a hard copy file. The last one is balanced money case and printed photo case.